Step 1. Clean the window with foam cleaner and wipe it dry. Then clean it again with alcohol and make sure to wipe the window dry. If the cleaning is not thorough or the window is not completely dry, the sticker may not adhere properly. In the second step, check whether the sticker size needs to be cut. If it is suitable, skip this step. If the sticker is a little larger than the window size, you can use scissors to cut off the white edge. The third step is to take out the cardboard of the packaging, put the sticker on it, and use a scraper to scrape both the front and back of the sticker to make the sticker transfer better. Place the side without the pattern facing up, and then tear off this layer. If the black sticker is attached to this layer, cover the backing paper back and use the scraper to scrape repeatedly. And leave 1 centimeter of the right edge unteared. Scrape and tear until the entire sticker can be peeled off normally. Step 4. Find the upper left corner of the sticker and peel off half of the backing paper from top to bottom, then fold it. Then stick the sticker on the window and scrape it with a scraper to fix the upper half. Tear off the bottom half of the backing paper and then scrape it with a scraper. Step 5. Use the scraper to scrape the entire sticker, making sure to scrape hard on the edges. Step 6. Slowly tear off the white transfer film. If the black sticker cannot stick to the window and is torn off with the white transfer film, you can separate them with your fingers, then hold the black sticker with one hand and tear off the white transfer film with the other hand.